anyways, yeah, the day you have the campsite for, you can go in after 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And if you wait till the next day, because some people think it's too late, I'll just go in the morning, you have to be in your site by 11 or they give it away. It's good to know. If you're there past 11, and I've seen it happen, your site's gone. Especially now when sites are so popular. So if you're going the next day, make sure you get there before 11. I think most of the campgrounds are like that, not just provincial ones. They all have their own rules. You have to read up on the website of these. I've got links on my channel of all the campgrounds, most of the campgrounds that I frequent. All the links are up there. And like I've said in a previous video, that sometime I'll go over how to register and actually register so you can see how to go about it.